Two numbers have a difference of 10. What are the numbers if their product is a minimum? So I'm going to call my two numbers x and y. So we'll say x minus y is equal to 10. Right? This is me just making an equation out of this. Two numbers have a difference of 10. Okay. What are the numbers if their product is a minimum? So their product is a minimum. So let's call the product p. So that would just be x times y. Okay. So now we have the same problem that I need this to be either in terms of x or in terms of y. It doesn't actually matter which one you do, but I'm going to just probably move my y over to their side, so I get x is equal to 10 plus y. Okay. So now from there, we're going to rewrite this as p is equal to x, and then instead of, oh, sorry, nope, I did it the other way around. So instead of this x, right, we have an equation for x, so that's going to be 10 plus y. Okay, I'll put that in brackets, and then we still have times this y. All right. Now from here, I'm just going to expand, so we get p is equal to 10y plus y squared. All right, so I think we're good, because what we want to do now is take the derivative, right? Because what's happening, we want to find these two numbers. So if this is our product and this is y that I'm graphing. It's a little bit backwards because y is usually the y-axis, right? But this is a variable y, so that's the one I'm graphing. Then I want to find where it's a minimum. So we want to take the derivative, set it equal to 0. So let's take the derivative of this. And this time, just to change it up, I'm going to write this in Leibniz notation. So we'll say dp, and then this is going to be in terms of y. So dp dy. Really just another way of saying the derivative of the product in terms of y is equal to, and then this would be just 10 plus 2y. All right, so I think we're ready. Let's set it equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 10 plus 2y. Subtract 10 from both sides and divide by 2. We get y is equal to negative 5. Okay, so that's my number for y. And now we actually have an equation ready to go for x. So x would be equal to 10 plus negative 5. So x would be equal to 5. So what are two numbers that have a difference of 10 that multiply? What are the numbers if they're a product as a minimum? Well, those numbers would be 5 and negative 5.